Alright guys, so I got another crypto update for you guys. We're going to go ahead and get right in the video. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be talking about crypto mostly. I'm going to be talking about crypto first, then I'm going to cover AMC, GME, our two favorite meme stocks, short squeeze plays. Definitely, if you don't know about that, you want to do some research, check that out. Maybe use this channel to check out that research, but you definitely want to get on those plays. Huge potential for huge gains. Gains have already been made. And then I'm going to give you a quick, short, overall stock market update. So we're going to be covering crypto, AMC, and then stock market, general stock market, and then give you guys basically an overall plan of what I think is going to happen with some price predictions, technical analysis, and all of that good stuff. So let's go ahead and get into the video and get started.
Right, we're back with another crypto market update, and then at the end of this video, I'm going to be talking about AMC and a little bit of GME as well, because those are our favorite stock updates as well, and give you a little bit general update on the overall stock market. But we're mostly going to be talking about crypto and altcoins in this video, so let's go ahead and get started. So Bitcoin is still in the same formation that I've been talking about in the past couple videos. As we can see, we're having an extreme amount of support here in this from 32,000 to 39,000. We haven't been able to break that for the past about a month now, so we haven't been able to get lower than this. And everyone knows if crypto goes any lower, that you'll be able to buy, whatever money you put in, then it's going to eat like 10x or 5x. You're going to double, triple your money easily by if it goes down to like 20K or something like that, or any lower than this. But even this is what's called a golden buy zone, and then a little bit below it is called a super golden buy zone. So whatever you're buying here, just know that you're probably going to double your money at least. All we'd have to do is go to the current all-time high for you to double your money, and then if we go past that, you're going to even do better. So whatever your portfolio is now, you can expect to easily double that and even do better if you're in altcoins and different other coins other than Bitcoin. But right now, my main thing is mostly funneling most of my coins into Bitcoin, because Bitcoin will move before the altcoins. Now, I do keep most of my core altcoin holdings, my main top altcoins, but I did sell off some of my more obscure altcoins and then just put them in the Bitcoin, waiting for Bitcoin to make a move, and then it will generate cash flow into these other altcoins, which is basically following Bitcoin at this point. As you can see, most of them have the same exact structure going on with them in the market. So as we can see, there's this wedge structure throughout multiple coins forming here on these altcoins. And basically they're waiting for, because the money circulates in the Bitcoin, then it circulates in the altcoin, then there's altcoin season, then it circulates back in the Bitcoin. Bitcoin starts dominating, then altcoins will run over Bitcoin. So as you can see on the daily chart, we're really waiting to see a price correlate and constrict. It starts to wind up like a spring, and once the spring gets too tight, it pops. And if you look at the huge overall chart on this, like all the data, basically we have a huge uptrend. If you look, we have a higher low from this last crash back in 2020, in the summer of 2020, when we first came down from this. Then we had a higher high and a higher low, and it looks like we'll make a higher high, higher low. And if you go back even further, using from the time that Bitcoin started, as you can see, it's been a steady trend. So when in doubt, zoom out, because the trend is up. The trend is your friend. And as you can see on the daily time frame, RSI is about mid, so we do have some room to run. MACD still in bearish territory, so we're still looking bearish on the MACD. Overall, we do have bullish divergence here on the RSI on the bigger time frames. As price goes lower, RSI is actually going higher, so that's bullish divergence there. And we are having that on the bigger time frames. As you can see, RSI was higher here, but we had lower prices, and RSI got lower here, but we had higher prices, which is called bullish divergence, which is a very, very strong sign for Bitcoin. Now, there are some bad signs for Bitcoin as well, as we are in a under the 200 and 100 moving averages, which seem to be right here where we're seeing this strong amount of resistance. And if we do see a pop past this white line here, expect a large burst to at least 52 to 55K. If we can get above this $46,000 range, we'll definitely be in the 52 to 55K range, and then start looking at possible all-time highs again if we can get above this major resistance level. Again, if you want to look at altcoins and what altcoins are basically going to be doing, they're going to be following Bitcoin, and that will be following Ethereum as well. And Ethereum is basically consolidating, winding up tighter and tighter like a spring. And if we do get above this key resistance here at 30 or at 3,200, expect it to be climbing up into the 4,000 or $9,500 range. So we just have to get above these key resistances and remain above these key supports. Here on Bitcoin, the key support is 32,000, and then the key resistance is 44,000. So we need to get above it like 44 to 46,000. Let's go ahead and check out some altcoin data. So these are the most talked about altcoins by social media and social analytics like Google, everything else like that. As you can see, massive amount improvement. A lot of people talking about these top coins here. These are the top coins being talked about right now. So these are the coins that you might want to look at if you're looking at what are the most popular coins, which normally are the most coins that are going to do best and have high price potential. So these are those top coins. This is the top coins by category. So these are grouped in categories like several different coins. As you can see, this is what we're looking at for coins and categories in the top categories. So go ahead and take a look at that if you guys like. And this is the top coins by categories, top 10 coins by categories. And then if we look at the total crypto market cap, so this is looking at crypto as a whole, we could see over the last 7 days, it's been trending down towards almost it's been trending down over the past couple weeks. So this is really a golden buy zone, and you're really gonna do good on the crypto that you purchase here. And fear is still extremely high, which is another indication that this is a good buy zone, especially RSI being extremely low, letting you know that you're in a good buy zone as well because we're oversold. There's just many reasons why we're in a good buy zone. But I do want to warn you guys that there is the Fed tightening coming up, and it could crash the markets pretty hard. So if you're planning on putting money into the markets, I would wait a little bit, especially after March 3rd. I'd be waiting until around the end of March. To be putting my money in. So around April, I would be putting my money in. I'd be trying to save. I'd be either dollar cost averaging now or saving a large cash position to buy the final dip because I do think that we're going to see a little bit more downside in the markets overall. So that's pretty much it on crypto, what I have for crypto for you guys. So let's basically look at AMC. I do have some particular bad news on AMC. I know you don't make any friends by giving bad news, but this kind of looks like what's called a bear flag, and I am expecting AMC, if we do break this major support here of 13.50, to see a downside of possible $12. So we could see AMC go to $12, which would be a great buy zone. If it does get below $12, look for $8. Now, if we're not going to get that low, we can still continue this path up to $16 or $20, but it could easily get down to $8 or $12. So I want you guys to be ready. Make sure that you have some cash stuffed away in your brokerage ready to take advantage of these dips. But just remember that this stock is very volatile. It can move up very fast, and you don't want to be left behind. And just know that things can change very quickly, and we can see things move very fast on AMC. So we can see that Ortex is showing a short interest of 20.73%, so plus 0.570 of the last update. So we can see that short interest is increasing as the price is going down, which is obviously shorting the stock down lower and lower and lower as shorts continue to increase. But what do you need for a short squeeze? You need shorts. So if we could get some gamma squeeze, because we have a lot of calls in the money higher up in the higher ranges, you could get some gamma action mixed with FOMO, and that will lead to something like this, like we've seen back in the last summer of 2020, when we ran up from about $8 to $72 in 2 days. Extreme amount of gains made, and then there was easily day trades here, day trades all throughout here that you could have made a ton of money. So we can get back up into those levels. All it takes is a little spark. It's not hard. As you guys can see, it can happen out of nowhere. And it also happened back here where we ran from up $1 to $20, a lot of profit to be made. The same thing for GME, many day trades and many stuff. We are in a little bit more of a bullish structure for GME, but I do expect us to make a lower low if we do not see a bounce within tomorrow. So if we don't really see a bounce tomorrow, just expect it to probably go to $12 on AMC, and then GME probably go to like $60 to $65. So we showed you the short interest, the calls and the money, short or the shares available to borrow are 4,000. The closing cost was 13.56 on AMC. And just remember, I am expecting more downside on AMC. I know you guys don't like to hear that, but just expect $8 to $12 as a possible buy zone. And if you can buy it at those prices, that would be a immaculate buy zone. That's why I don't think it will get that low, because if you buy at those prices, you'll be able to get so many shares for so cheap, and they know that. I think they might try to push it down there to get people to sell and panic sell. But if they do, I'm going to be buying. And I'm just telling you my plan, not financial advice. But that is the video I have for you guys. Hopefully you found it informative. If you did, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe for more content. And as always, have fun, stay safe, keep hacking. Peace out. And also, just real quickly for the SPY, I do see more downside for the SPY and the NASDAQ, as we are still in this falling wedge and prices tightening up, and tightening up. And I do think that once all of these things are set in stone, we will see a sharp increase like we haven't seen before. But that is your general market update, your crypto market update, and then our two favorite stocks, AMC and GME market update. So as always, have fun, stay safe, keep hacking, make money. Peace out.
So that was the video. Hopefully you found it informative. If you did, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe for more content, and as always, have fun, stay safe, keep hacking. Peace out.